बायोकेमिस्ट्री लिपिन कोड BCQs फॉर एग्ज़ाम्स और जो बचे हुए हैं वो हम पढ़ते हैं। ये सेकेंड सेमेस्टर वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। तो व्हाट इज़ द क्लोजेस्ट रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ विटामिन ई 15 ग्राम डेली। विच फॉर्म ऑफ विटामिन ए इज़ प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट्स कैरोटीन्स। By which process retinol is converted into retinal oxidation? Which of the following minerals is the component of enzyme responsible for activation of vitamin A in eye? It's zinc. Chylomicrons VLDL, LDL and HDL are the type of lipid? They are lipoproteins. Out of these amino acids, which one is exclusively ketogenic? It's leucine. Which of the following organelles is bounded by double membrane? It's mitochondria. What is the term given to the amino acid which exist in two superimposable mirror images of each other? It's enantiomer. What is the term given to amino acid which exist in two superimposable mirror images of each other? It's enantiomer. Enantiomer. Denaturation causes disruption in which of the following bonds? Hydrogen bond. What is formed by DNA wrapped around his stones? It's nucleosome. Gag chains are linked to protein in extracellular matrix to form which of the following? Proteoglycan. Which type of lipids are ester of fatty acid usually long chain with the alcohols other than glycerol called Vexes. Cobalt is essential component of which vitamin? B12. Which of the following is the main source of fluorine? Water. Out of following, which vitamin can be synthesized by intestinal bacteria? Vitamin K. Which tissue is vitamin E distributed through? Fatty acids. What is the role of transport proteins move substances through cell? The patient suffering from hypogonadism, failure to thrive, loss of taste, and unable to maintain stability. This shows the deficiency of which mineral? It's zinc. Digestive enzymes are all examples of which class of enzymes? Hydrolase. How does the amino acid act at an isoelectric pH? ASZ. Bitter ions. Maltose is composed of which of the following? 2AD glucose unit held together by a 1,4 glycosidic bond. Which of these show the correct definition of basal metabolic rate? BMR. A minimum amount of energy required by body at rest. Okay. Which of these can be best way to get all required nutrients? To eat combination of foods जिसको हम बैलेंस डाइट भी बोलते हैं. When amino acid of PL5 is added to a solution of pH 9, it acts as what? As an anion. Which of these describe the static function of protein? Hormones. Collagen. Which of the following is considered as anti-sterility vitamin? Vitamin E. Which vitamin is required for synthesis of food of blood clotting protein? Vitamin K. Which enzyme is present in peroxisomes? Catalase. Which type of motif is Roseman fold? Mixed. Transition state corresponds to which of following? Highest value of energy because enzymes and substrate are tightly bound. Which of following enzyme that is proteinaceous is in nature? Ribozyme. What is the word proteose actually means primary. Which fat soluble vitamin is least toxic? Vitamin E. Which water soluble vitamin has function that can serve as coenzyme for energy production from CHO? Maintain the normal function of nervous system. B1. Which of the following is property of zymogen enzyme precursor? What is an activated enzyme called that is formed with combination of polypeptide chain and cofactor? It's holoenzymes. Which bond are present in primary structure of protein? Covalent bond. Which lipoprotein has erythroprotective effect? HDL. What does competitive inhibitor tends to do? Vmax remains constant and Km and Km is larger. Define where it is. Iodine is essential for prevention of what? Goiter. Acrodermatitis enteropathica is due to defective absorption of which mineral? Zinc. Which of these amino acids is rarely found in alpha helices? Proline. Secondary structure of a protein is stabilized by which of the following? Hydrogen bonding. ठीक है. Primary covalent, secondary hydrogen. What is associated with vitamin B3 deficiency? Pellagra. What is the nature of vitamin C? Acidic. Which water soluble vitamin functions as coenzyme in protein and glycogen metabolism and neurotransmitter formation and necessary for formation of heme? Vitamin B6. What is an overall three-dimensional structure of a polypeptide called? Tertiary structure. Where is DNA located in bacterial cell? Nucleoid. Out of these, which is the covalent type of bond? Disulfide. Which of following is the effect of denaturation? Decrease in surface tension. Which model tells that active site of an enzyme is specific and pre-shaped, not flexible? Template where only a specific substrate can bind. Lock and key. What is a specialized form of irreversible inhibition called? In which the enzyme itself convert the original reversible inhibitor to move to more potent irreversible form. Suicide inhibition. Which of these are the smallest sugars? Glyceride and dehydroxyacetone. Which polysaccharide acts as anticoagulant? Heparin. Glucose belongs to which of the following class? Monosaccharides. Which vitamin provide the coenzyme of oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate? B1. FMN is converted to FAD by addition of which moiety? AMP. What is reversible inhibitor called that binds to ES complex? Uncompetitive. Where vitamin K is mainly stored? Liver. By what process nicotinamide is converted to niacin? Deamination. Which of the following is simplest carbohydrate considered as reference carbohydrate? Glyceraldehyde. Which of these isomers have OH is above the plane of ring? Beta ionomer. What is the anomeric carbon in keto sugar? C2. Which of the following is characteristic of both marasmus and washicoror? Protein energy malnutrition. Which one shows negative positive nitrogen balance? Nitrogen output is lower than intake. What is the mechanism termed as final product of metabolic pathway turned off at the first step of that pathway? Negative feedback. DGLU and LGLU are the type of isomers in enantiomers. Which nutrient provide greatest amount of energy per gram? Fat. इसके बाद प्रोटीन, इसके बाद कार्बोहाइड्रेट, इसके बाद प्रोटीन. Cyclic pyranose structure of monosaccharide is made by burning of which two carbons? C1 and C5. Which of these show the structure of cardiolipin? Two molecules of phosphatidic acid and attached by glycerol. Tay-Sachs disease is caused by accumulation of which of the following gangliosides? GM2. What is the cyclic three-dimensional representation of carbohydrates called? Haworth projection. Which of the following is correct statement regarding glycemic index? GI of starch is lower than the glucose. Which of the following condition is with elevated BMR? Polycythemia. Out of these, which of the following takes part in osa zone formation when treated with excess of phenylhydrazine maltose. Human lack enzyme to hydrolyze which carbohydrate to cellulose. Excess energy from diet is most likely to be stored as which form? Fat. Which of these nutrients is required in greater amount by women than by men? Iron. Out of these, which one is unbranched? Amylose. Insulin is polymer of which sugar? Fructose. Which of these show the best composition of bacterial cell wall? Polysaccharide and amino acid. Which is cholesterol essential for normal membrane function? Because it maintains. Why is cholesterol essential for normal membrane function? Because it maintains membrane fluidity or fluidity. What is the length of pitch of helix? 34 angstrom. Which term is used for hydrolysis of fats into fatty acids and glycerol by alkalis? Saponification. What is another name of cephalin? Phosphatidylethanolamine. ओ वाह, ये तो वैसा लग रहा है वेणुगोपाल त्रिचिपल्ली वेलगोपाल अय्यर, अगर याद हो तो चलो. ओके. which type of eicosanoid plays main role in vasoconstriction and platelet aggregation? Thromboxanes. Cholesterol has side chains attached to which carbon number of steroid nucleus? 17. What makes sulfur availability in the body? Methionine and cysteine. Which of the following shows the daily requirement of iron in men? 10 mg. Which of the following represent iron deficiency anemia? Plasma bound iron is low. Which of the following respectively represents the cause of Wilson disease and Menkes disease? Copper toxicity and copper deficiency. Constipation and hemorrhoids are mainly associated with which of the following? Lack of fiber. Which of the following is antidote of vitamin K? Warfarin. Out of the following, what is elevated by niacin? HDL. What is vitamin B7 called as biotin? Which vitamin especially takes part in 1-carbon metabolism? Folate. Okay. Which of these is cobalt containing vitamin? Vitamin B12. Hemorrhage disease newborn can be caused due to deficiency of what? Vitamin K. Which of the following increases iron absorption? Ascorbic acid. Which of these act as a direct cofactor for transferring methyl group to convert homocysteine to methionine? Methylcobalamin. Vitamin B12 deficiency leads to functional folate deficiency by trapping it in which form? Methyl tetrahydrofolate. Okay. Which of one is not a nutrient? Enzyme. Which type of anemia is caused by deficiency of iron? Microcytic anemia. Which of these nutrient is lost in large quantity during boiling of rice and led to deficiency? Vitamin B1. Which one of the following is not least concerned to any type of anemia? Calcium. Which type of acinocyte is mainly involved in asthmatic allergy? Leukotrienes. Which enzymes require vitamin K? Which enzyme requires vitamin K? Acts as in coenzymes. Carboxylase. Which one of the following defines ferritin? Restored form of iron.